Hi everyone, this is the sneak preview for our article Genetic Fortune, Winning or Losing, Education, Income and Health. There are three questions that we're asking in the article. First, how important is genetic luck for income inequality? Second, does genetic luck for income also have health implications? And third, we begin to look at some of the mechanisms that are at work. Our analysis happened in the UK Biobank, where we constructed a proxy for individual income by imputing occupational wages from standardized occupation codes. We find that occupational wages has a SNP-based heritability of about 10%. When we run a GWAS on that measure, we find about 45 independent genetic loci. Polygenic score that is constructed from these GWAS results predicts 1 to 3% of the variance in income in various samples, and it predicts over and above the EA3 polygenic score. We find that genetic fortune for income also increases the chance for better health outcomes, and that a substantial part of genetic luck for income seems to operate via educational attainment. So here's a slide that shows the consequences of the income polygenic score on lifetime outcomes in a sample of about 35,000 UK Biobank siblings. And I'm showing you two model specifications, OLS, which is the most naive model that does not adjust for measurement error in the polygenic score that is due to finite GWAS sample sizes. And it also does not control for family fixed effects and is therefore subject to a bias from population structure and genetic nurturing effects. GAV with family fixed effects, on the other hand, solves both of these problems, but it comes at the cost of a much larger standard error of the estimates. Both model specifications, however, yield very similar point estimates. So we see that a higher polygenic score for income is associated with better lifetime outcomes, including better education, higher income, living in a better neighborhood, having better lung function, lower BMI, lower blood pressure, and a substantially reduced chance to get serious diseases across various domains. We also see in mediation analysis that some of this effect of the polygenic score for income in these siblings is operating through having a college degree, which is obviously a behavioral outcome that can be influenced by the environment and by policymakers. In conclusion, we see that genetic fortune for higher income contributes to inequalities throughout the life course, but this does not imply biological determinism or an irrelevance of policy.